We have attempted several times to perform steps 15 to 22 using this setup. The idea of the setup was for the sound of a radio to knock dominoes over. The dominoes would then knock over a lit candle, which would fall in place as a result of barriers in a perfect position to burn a string. Once the string is burnt, it releases a ball that is attached to it into a cup of a pulley system. The weight from the ball would force the cup downwards. As a result, the second cup would move upwards. That would then knock a ball down a ramp. Although it is clear to us after several failed attempts that the system was flawed as the barrier was not constructed well enough to ensure the candle would fall in the right position to burn the string. Many times the candle would fall sideways or not close enough to burn the string. It was not a reliable system. The idea was for the dominoes to fall, knocking over a candle in the perfect position to burn the string. Once the string was burned, it would release a ball and the cup would go up, knocking the system. We also attempted to perform steps 6 to 12, although as well this system was flawed. The problem with this system is that the ball on the second ramp does not stay in place long enough for the explosion to result in the ball moving down. The ball already is falling before the explosion has occurred. The idea of this layout was for a ball rolling down a ramp to knock Mentos into a Diet Coke bottle, resulting in a small explosion. The explosion will cause another ball that is set here to move down a ramp and into a cup design. We are working to improve this system for our next draft, but we are now able to see the flaws that are needed to be improved upon as a result of this layout. We attempted steps 1 to 6 using this system. The idea of this system was for a hairdryer to blow air into a parachute attached to a cart. The air would force the parachute backwards, pulling on a string attached to a wheel. Turning a wheel, a boot attached to the wheel would knock a ball down a ramp. The problem with this system was the design of the wheel. Here's what was supposed to happen. We are working on improving this for our next layout.